What are these? Are these bangles or energetic fields? Today, this case study will enlighten you to a different dimension of energy. It is about two twin flames of two twin sisters, Alia and Celia from California. And you will be amazed with the revelation I am going to share about their spiritual awakening journey, their Kundalini awakening journey, and how they could process Kundalini in a totally unique way through the energetic mastery method that I taught them. Before you go ahead with listening to the energy field and an electromagnetic field and the energetic dimension of their story, let me tell you a brief background of their life. Both of them were born in a stage where there was no guardian, there was no one to look after them. They have spent 20 years of their life in an orphanage. Just imagine the kind of trauma of the child, both the children, where they had not got the parenting support of their parents. And when two children who are twins, they are not having any other additional external environment apart from their own energy, what happens? Their energy field is twinned. Twin means it is like interlocking of two energy field happens. For example, you need to understand how energy field work. I am here, I am Alia, and this is Celia. Now both of them, since there is no parental support, there is no sibling support, or there is no societal support, what is happening? Both of them are always hugging each other, staying together, being in each other's company to get the support of the safety net that their brain and nervous system needs. And in this total process, their nervous system, their brain is wired in such a way that both behave in the same way. Both of their brain and nervous system have learned the same neural pathways of responding to the fear, responding to the insecurity. And what happened after 20 years, when spiritual awakening happened in them, at the age of 20, both of them together got to the stage when Kundalini awakened in them. The drastic difference in both of their awakening was the quality of energy domination in each of them. So, Alia was divine masculine dominated and Celia was divine feminine dominated. Now, if we explain it in the form of yin and yang energy, then Celia was yin energy and Alia was yang energy. That is the male or masculine energy. When both of these two twins lived together for such a long time, the relationship between them were more like twin flames, one behaving like the male partner and another behaving like the female partner. But originally both of them are in female body. So their energy should be balanced individually. And next 15 years, they came to me at the age of 35 and 15 years of spiritual awakening, they have actually deteriorated their nervous system and brain to the extent that it is now the electromagnetic field of each of them is creating deflection for each other. Why? Because same energies deflect. It is the rule of energy that same energy and same magnetic field deflect each other, and different electromagnetic field and different magnetic field attract each other. Since both of them have stayed in the same electromagnetic field, their aura, their electromagnetic field which is around If you don't know about it, your electromagnetic field is around 3 feet around your body, like this. If you spread your arms and you draw an oval shape, then your electromagnetic field is this much area. If you move like this circular way, this is total your electromagnetic field. Now that is why I have explained with these bangles that this is the electromagnetic field of Alia and this is the electromagnetic field of Celia. What is happening when they are together? It is colliding like this. So this part, like in mathematics, you see Venn diagram, two circles, one is a subset of another set, like this. When it happens, this part is the common part. So this part in terms of energy is colliding each other. Now what is happening? Repulsion is happening. This is not getting the space. When these are separate, it is getting separate space. It is getting separate space. So what I did, the energetic mastery method applied on them is to change the way they function in life, change the way they perform in life, change the way they behave in life. If one has to be balanced, if Alia has to be balanced, then she has to be complete. Her Shiva and Shakti energy, her yin and yang energy needs to be balanced. And for Celia to be complete, it has to be balanced individually. The Shiva and Shakti in Celia is not and should not be dependent on Alia's energy. And similarly, the Shiva and Shakti energy of Alia should not be dependent on energy of Celia. So, to make them independent, the first technique that I applied on them is to sit separately. For example, if Alia is sitting here, instead of sitting like this, hugging each other, just sit separately with a distance. For example, both of them can sit together, talk like this, talk face to face, but not cross this energy field. Look at me, this is the energy field around your hands, whatever distance it is, and it should be different. If you are sitting on the couch, sitting like this. If you are sitting in the room, then sitting and eating. If they are eating on the floor, then sitting and eating like this. Second person is sitting like this. For example, if this is Celia and I am Alia, then Alia should be here, Celia should be here, not crossing each other's boundary. If you look at the dogs and other animals, you will see that they always create boundary around them. They are never ever found crossing the boundary of each other until and unless they are mating with each other. But these two females, the attraction between both of them sexually also was of a male and female, and that was the worst part and was suffering of them. They have turned into a lesbian, and you know the suffering of a male, of a female who is feeling a male body, and a female who is not balanced, and she is receiving that energy, sexual energy from the female sibling who is a twin. So it is very complicated. It is very complicated to understand the kind of suffering one goes through when you are not feeling yourself. Okay, so this is very deep case that I am sharing with you, and if you are also a twin or having this lesbian or gay possibility, you could be a man twin, means in a male body, and you are also feeling this kind of deviations from your natural being, then you must apply the energetic mastery method I am teaching in this video, and at the same time you can apply the other techniques that I will share, which I am sharing in this video, as well as you can take my personal consulting. Next technique was the mirroring technique. In this mirroring technique, this technique works like working on your consciousness, working on your witness. So the mirroring technique was simple, but you have to do it. They did it for 100 days. Every day, looking into the mirror in the eyes, looking at oneself separately. All the techniques they had to apply separately, but looking into the mirror and looking into yourself, your eyes, and concentrating on your consciousness. And this technique works more deeply when you work with me, that I separate you from your consciousness, I separate you from your mind. And when it happens, you have to separate the identity of being Alia or Celia that they had been identified with. They had extremely identified with themselves as Alia and Celia, and that was the problematic part of it. Next part, the next technique. This mirroring technique is very deep technique. I just gave you a hint. You have to apply this technique only in my presence with my guidance, because I give energy transmission, and that is very much important part of the technique. But that technique worked for them to separate themselves from the Alia and Celia identity and connect to their consciousness. Next was the separation of how they sleep. They used to sleep together on the same bed. So I suggested them that if one is sleeping on the bed, at least that person should be sleeping at a different place, and the other person should be like this, and it is only for talking purpose if they are talking to each other, but the other person should be there on the floor. So if one person is sitting on the bed, sleeping on the bed, then the other person should be on the floor. This much distance should be there. If they are sharing the space, same room, then this should be their energetic disconnection. Next is they can sleep in the other room, means two separate rooms. But since they have stayed in the orphanage, sharing the same room for many years, they were used to sleep in the same room. Otherwise, they used to feel very much fearful. So the last technique that worked for them was to remove the trauma in them from their early childhood. The trauma technique is fast exhalation from the nose, and it works like this. It purifies your energy channels. It removes toxicity from your body. It removes depression and anxiety and trauma from your energy body completely. You have to deflate your belly completely when you are exhaling. So in slow motion, if I show you, it is like this. Completely deflating this, and do it 500 times. So they did it for 500 times every day for 30 days to disconnect. And next 70 days, they worked for 100 days with me for many other aspects of their life, which was connected to their twin flame disassociation. And I moved their Kundalini to become free. I worked on them to become independent. So these were only the highlights of how energetic field get affected when you are sharing the twin flame journey with your twin sister or twin brother or twin siblings. This could happen with triplets also. So wherever you are, whoever you are, if you are having these changes, then you can definitely don't waste time more in browsing and searching for solution. Here is the solution. I am the solution. I will free you. This is what I can say right now. So do this technique and get free. You can do it in parts. 20 rounds, stop, then 20 rounds, stop, like this 100 rounds, and like this 500 times a day. So you can divide it into 100 times, into 5 times a day, or 200 times, 2 times a day, 100 times. That is different, but total of 500 times in a day. This technique has the power to disconnect you from the energy field of your family members. That I will cover in some other videos, but this is extremely powerful to make you healthy, happy, and free from all the energetic disturbance, and you no more have to share your space with anyone. So this was enough for enlightening you on this topic. This case I have solved in just 30 days, and they were free. So you don't need to suffer more. If you are suffering, you can contact my team and get the energetic mastery method secrets, learn from me, apply in your life, and live a happy and free life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.